Hello, I am Manoj. The directions are as given below and the question is, what is the free capacity in the Alwar-Agra pipeline? The answer is 1 out of the 4 options. To solve this question, we need to look at the directions first. Here it says the load carrying capacity of each pipeline is 1000. The city of Ujjain, Jaipur has a requirement of 400. So I can write it as for Ujjain it is 400 as well as for Jaipur also it is 400. The requirement of Jodhpur is 700. Where that of Agra is 200. So I can write it as, in case of Jodhpur it is 700 and for Agra it is 200. The load carried from Ujjain to Jaipur is 300. So I can write it as, this line carries the load of 300. Now the requirement of Jodhpur is 700. So this line would carry the load of 700. With a small calculation I can find the load of this line, that would be 800, and I can prove it in the following way. If 800 is carried by this line, 400 is consumed by Jaipur, so remaining is 400. That 400 plus this 300 would give me 700 here. Now similarly I can find out the load carried by the line between Alwar and Agra. Consumption of Agra is 200 and the load of line between Agra and Jaipur is 800. So the load between Alwar and Agra becomes 800 plus 200, that is 1000. Similarly I can find the load between Alwar and Ujjain, that is 400 plus 300, that gives me 700. So now I know the requirement of all the cities as well as the load carried by each of the line. So now my question is, what is the free capacity in the Alwar-Agra pipeline? Presently Alwar-Agra carries 1000 and the load carrying capacity of pipeline is 1000, so it can carry no more, so its free capacity is 0. So answer to this question is option number 4, that says 0. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Manoj. The directions are as given below and the question is, what is the free capacity in the Alwar-Ujjain pipeline? The answer is 1 out of the 4 options. Solution. Now in the previous question we had gone through all the directions and have found out what is the requirement of each city and the load carried by the each of the pipeline. So as the diagram here shows that capacity between Alwar and Ujjain pipeline is 700 and capacity of each of the pipeline is 1000. So the free capacity of this pipeline can be find out as 1000 minus the present load carried by it, that is 700. So that would give me 300. So answer to this question is option number 4, that is 300. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.